Welcome. If you're tired of your inbox filling up with Discord social emails, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you how to disable social email notifications on Discord web using your PC, following the latest update. Let's get started by opening Discord in your browser. Simply head over to the Discord website and log into your account. Once you're in, take a look at the bottom left corner of your screen. You'll see a little gear icon. That's your user settings. Go ahead and click on it. Now that you're inside the user settings menu, look to the left sidebar and find the option labeled Notifications. Click on Notifications to open up all your notification preferences. This is where you can really take control over what Discord sends to your email. Scroll down until you see the section called Email Notifications. Here, Discord lists several categories of email alerts, including communication, social, announcements and updates, tips, and recommendations. For today's guide, we're focusing on social emails. These include things like friend requests, suggestions, and server event notifications. To stop receiving these, simply find the toggle switch next to social emails and turn it off. That's it. No more social notifications cluttering up your inbox. Discord saves your changes automatically, so you don't need to worry about hitting any extra buttons. If you ever want to re-enable these notifications, just follow the same steps and flip the switch back on. And remember, you can always come back to this menu to fine-tune any of your other email notification settings, keeping your inbox as organized as you like. Thanks for watching. If this helped you clean up your Discord emails, consider sharing this guide with friends who might need it too. Stay tuned for more straightforward tech tips.